What if your spreadsheets could do more than hold numbers? What if they could think, connect, and work? Like your business. For Amazon sellers, data lives everywhere, in Seller Central, ads dashboards, and endless CSVs. Every week brings new exports, broken formulas, and late-night updates, just to keep reports alive. It's time-consuming, messy, and slows down the decisions that matter most. Hopted ends that chaos. It's a Google Sheets integration platform built for Amazon sellers and e-commerce teams, connecting directly to Seller Central, ads, and more. So every metric you care about updates automatically, right inside your spreadsheet. Hopted keeps your spreadsheets connected in both directions. It pulls live Amazon data into Sheets and lets you push changes back, edit a listing, adjust inventory, update prices, right from your spreadsheet. Everything stays perfectly in sync. Understanding true profitability shouldn't take hours of manual math. Hopted combines your revenue, FBA fees, ad spend, storage costs, and COGS automatically. It calculates real margins per ASIN, SKU, or marketplace in real time, so you see exactly what's driving profit and what isn't. With Hopted, inventory management happens right in Sheets. Track stock levels, sales velocity, and restock needs, all with live Amazon data. Forecast demand and plan shipments before you run out or overstock. Hopted makes operations proactive, not reactive. And soon, Hopted's built-in AI agents will go even further. Spot anomalies in your data, detect missing listing details, suggest ways to improve performance directly from your spreadsheets. For operators, it means less time managing data and more time managing growth. For analysts, it means accurate, always-on reporting. For agencies, it means managing multiple accounts from one unified workspace. For everyone, it means control, speed, and clarity without code. First, install Hopted as a browser extension. Next, open a spreadsheet where you will find the Hopted interface. Finally, connect your store and select Amazon as your data source within the app. On the left, you can see all the Amazon reports Hopted currently supports. Feel free to create your own custom report or utilize one of our pre-built templates. For this demonstration, we'll select the Restock Inventory Report. I'll quickly build a custom set of columns, starting with basic data, like SKU. Next, I'll pull in additional attributes from the Restock reports themselves. Here's the really cool part. With Hopted, you can seamlessly join different Amazon reports. It takes zero effort. Right now, we have the Restock inventory setup, but Hopted can instantly reach out to a completely separate Amazon report, grab the relevant data, and merge it right into our main sheet. Watch as we pull in crucial details from the inventory health report, like this key metric and the inventory health alert. Finally, I'll add a special column that shows the last update time for any given row. This gives you instant confidence that you're looking at the freshest possible data. The result is a powerful sheet containing FBA restock inventory information enriched with attributes from a different report. These are live data columns, continuously and frequently synced with Amazon. They are set to view only, which means you can't accidentally push updates back to Seller Central in this scenario. Perfect. We've retrieved all the necessary information effortlessly. Now you're free to use the full power of Google Sheets. You can move columns, sort, filter, and add your own custom columns for notes, manual projections, or task assignments. Hopted is smart. It will only update its designated live fields. Anything you enter manually or any custom formatting you apply will never be overwritten. Organize the spreadsheet exactly the way your team works. Hopted simply adapts and fits into your existing process.